We're making a video on here, and we're at the store, and this kid does not know how to drive a car. Ow. So I got some of that. You got some of that. This kid does not know how to drive a car, and now he's spanking the pool. I mean, just this autistic freak. Look at all these chips, though. I mean, look at him too. I think that might be a slime. It's a slime. You hold that.
Oh.
Okay, well I got
I have to go tell Manny.
Well, I got a slushie. Just look at this. What the? That was just slime. Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so we're cleaning this up.
Yeah, because apparently it was open that whole time.
I don't know how. Wait, should we probably go get I'll go get my cart. Okay, so this is some ducks. Our dad's probably looking for us. We're like, what? Okay, guys, so what to get? I'll get some, I need some Swedish. Where's some Swedish fish? There's no Swedish fish. Wait, there's some over here. No, oh, found some Swedish. Yes. What?
Come on, we'll be right back.
Okay, guys, so I got some Swedish.
$2.
So I've wasted
$5.69. And 70.
Yeah. Wait, so how much does this cost? Guys, this is all I'm gonna buy. Actually, wait. To make it up, I'll put this back. Where is it? I'm putting. That's $6 for me. I'm gonna now let's see. $6 plus. I'll just get those two. Now I'll put this one back. Okay, guys, so I'll be right back as I'm done ordering stuff. Okay, guys, so we're finally done ordering. Hi. Hey guys, so we're right back in our car, and I'm gonna end the video today. So see you guys.
Man.
Goodbye. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and turn on the
Don't
notification
even
bell.
miss this one.
Yeah.